Hi everyone, quick video here to show you around this gorgeous Volkswagen Golf Match Edition. This car looks absolutely superb, finished in black with the stylish 16-inch alloy wheels. The Mark 7 Golf is beautifully finished in the interior, with this Match Edition spec giving you extra goodies such as sat-nav and front heated seats. This Golf includes Volkswagen's absolutely amazing adaptive cruise control, where the car automatically slows down for traffic conditions around you and then brings you back up to speed. It can also perform an emergency brake to help stop those city collisions. The car also benefits from the DSG automatic gearbox, which is so smooth and an absolute joy to drive. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. This car is available to test drive and view at our Randallstown branch, along with our wide selection of quality used cars.